All right, guys, we're going to do a quick review on how to take a YLife report from the portal and convert it into easier to read data charts. Let's go with open your Internet Explorer. You should find it in your Favorites tab. If not, I will send you the link and you can save it to Favorites, but it should be there. These are links that we are all given. Go to YLife Report Portal, menu, membership, facility usage, averages by day and quarter hour. Choose your branch, choose your start and end dates. I'll just do June to see how this looks. I usually like a bigger sample because fluctuations are going to occur from month to month. So if you take a bigger sample, 3 months, 6 months, it'll give you a better idea. You can look at one specific day or you can look at the entire week, which I'm going to do now, and filter it out. It's a big report, so it takes a little time. So you have all the data here by quarter hour from 6:15 a.m., 6:15 to 6:29 a.m. This is average for how many people checked in for that month. On average, from before 5 o'clock a.m., how many people did we happen to let in the door at 5:59 a.m.? On average, this is what it looks like. Now, this is a lot of data. It can be hard to kind of read and filter through, so I like to move mine to chart style. So export to Excel. I'll ask you if you want to open it up, and I do. Now, it automatically puts Sunday over here before Monday, and I like to keep my weekends close together. So I'm going to cut that row, and I'm going to paste it down here by Saturday. And then I'm going to remove that empty column, and then I'm going to remove that empty row and this empty column as well. Because then you can either highlight the entire set, or you can click on one box, and if you click Control A, it'll highlight all of your data that you want to import. Now, I will tell you, you'll have some random clock in times where you'll say, but we weren't even open at that time. And it's likely your opener or closer that was setting up or shutting down the system. So if you want to just delete those out so it doesn't mess with your information, you certainly can do that. So again, I can either drag for all of my information or Control A. And then I'm just going to click Insert, Align. I'm not particular, you can be fancy. And then it's going to plop it right here into this working spreadsheet. Now, I like to cut it and paste it into a new tab in this worksheet, so I can keep all my information together, but they're separated out. So now I've got Saturday and Sunday together. I just like that a little bit better. From there, what I like to do is to insert some arrows. I prefer the one with the arrow on it so I can have it point right to my times. You can pick specific at the peak, or you can choose to look at a block, which I find helpful, of times for the entire week. When are the peak times that people are coming in? And then it's easier for me to read this data information here. And I'll do that all the way down from early morning peaks all the way through evening. And then hopefully that will help me decide what are the best times to offer classes. Again, it's still not 100% science. It's 15 minutes. How do people come in? And currently we want to set up our schedules so that we are offering classes when members come in. Some of the feedback that we have received is lack of convenient schedules. So we want to make sure that we're offering classes consistently across the week, on the hour, on the quarter hour, same schedule every day, not the same classes. We will create that chevron or crosshatch pattern for those. But as far as when are we starting classes, what are our peak times, what are our off-peak times, we want to make sure that our group exercise schedules line up with that. And this gives you a great, really quick snapshot of what the traffic patterns look like in your branch. Make sure to save it.